Yes, students. Today I'm going to explain the frame format of the Mac layer, okay, Mac sub layer. Okay, like is that this frame format Mac sub layer, it contains the 9 fields. Okay, that is see, this is what the 9 fields. Okay, that is for FC means like a frame controller, and this the destination address, and this address one, address two, address is so on. This is the sequence control. SC is nothing but sequence control. Again, address of that. Sequence control, again this is the frame body, and FCS. Okay, see, these all are the 9 field. Okay, is supposed to going to hold the our frame format. The each and every data, or each and every field, okay, they have their own set of bytes. Okay, for example, FC, okay, it means frame control, it has the 2 bytes of data. Okay, means it having the capability of to holding the 2 byte of the data. So like that, but our address one, address two, okay, just keep on varying. Okay, if all the address it is have, they have the capability to hold the, or to store the data, is the 6 byte address. Okay, but our frame body will be a more, okay, compared to our other fields. Okay, our frame body field, it contains the 2312 byte of information. It can be stored in that particular field. So okay, so these all are the 9 field. Okay, then along with that, this is also, see, this will the protocol version type. Okay, which type of that particular frame part subtype, and to ds, from ds, more flag, retry, like, and this will be power management, and more data, wep, like revised, okay, revised. See, the everything what like what and all function, or what it will do, each and every field. Okay, everything I'll discuss now. See, before that, it contains see, like before that, our frame format. Okay, it is going to have the FC. Okay, that means nothing but frame controller. So the frame controller, it can it can have the capability to hold the 2 byte of length of data. Okay, it is normally, it is going to define the frame and the and the sum of the control functions. Okay, in table, okay, in table I'll show how it is. So I told her that personal protocol versions, type, subtype, okay, everything. See, this is what the table. Okay, it contains our frame format. See, field, okay, these are all the fields. Okay, and this particular field have the explanation here. So version means it is going to tell the current version of that particular, means it may be a current version, or it may be a previous version. Okay, whatever the version, it is going to inform here. See, but now we are using that frame format is the current version. The current version is 0. The next one is type. Okay, means what type of information it is going to contain. Okay, if it is the management information, okay, the data will be 00. If it is control information, the data will be 01. Okay, if it is data information, okay, that data will be, or that particular information will be 10. Okay, and then the next one is subtype field. Okay, subtype field, okay, it contains the which type of field, or which type of data. Okay, it is going to store that. So that is what. Then 2ds means, 2ds means it is the defined later. Okay, from ds also we have to define the later, that particular destination address. Then more flags. Okay, yeah, if the flag, okay, you know, right, a carry flag, set flag, priority flag, and extra flag, every flag is there. Okay, see, such that if the flag bit, or if the flag bit is 1, means we have to do the more fragmentation. If retry, okay, if we are going to set that retry function is 1, so we have to retransmit it the particular data, or the particular packet, once again in that particular network. Means inside the network we have to retransmit the data. So then what is the power management? The power management, we have to set the one, the each station, okay, it is in the power management mode. Means the each station have the power to making the transaction. Then more data, yes, the more data. Okay, when the bit is set 1, the station has the more number of data it is going to send to destination. Then WEP is nothing but wired equivalent privacy. Here we have to do all the encryption mechanism. Means we have to encrypt the data. Okay, and we have to shrink the data. how much we have, that much we have to use it. Okay, means we no need to elaborate the data, or we no need to store all the data at a time. Okay, means we have to shrink, okay, shrink one by one data, then we keep on move to the that particular network. Then what is the revise? Yes, the reserved, okay, all the data it is going to reserve in that particular frame format. See, these all are the format, okay, which we are using the our frame format. See, like we discussed all those things, right? Protocol version, type, subtype, to do, from ds, okay, more flags, retry, power management, everything. Okay, apart from that, okay, we have to contain the different sub functions. Okay, that is address, sequence, control, frame body, and fcs. Okay, well, then what is the address? Okay, it is contain the four fields of address. Okay, the each field of address it contain the 6 byte of information. Okay, then each address it is going to depends on the value of the 2ds on from ds, means like starting data segment, means from data segment, and to data segment subfields. Then sequence control, okay, this field it is going to define the sequence number of the frame to be used in the flow control. Then what is the frame body? The frame body, okay, it contains the yeah, it contains the zeros and sorry, the range between 0 to 2312 byte. Okay, I mean that much information, or that much data it is going to store in that particular frame body. Okay, then what is the FCS? The FCS, okay, it contains the 4 byte information along with the CRC32 error detection sequence, means like cyclic redundancy code, code will be 32-bit error detection sequence. Here the FCS, okay, mainly we have to use for to detect the error detection mechanism. Okay, so that we have to use one of the implement method, or one of the to avoid the error, like error technique. Okay, we have to use the cyclic redundancy code method. See, that cyclic redundancy code, it contains the 32-bit error detection sequences. See, this is what our frame format. The next one is frame time. The frame type, okay, the wireless LAN defines like defined by the IEEE specification 802.11. Okay, it has a three category of the frame. The first one is management frame, control frame, as well as the data frame. Okay, the management frame it is going to it is going to manage for the initial communication between the stations as well as the access point. Okay, then control frames, okay, it is going to used for accessing the channels as well as the acknowledgement frames. Okay, so then the control frames it contains the again like FC, means flow control and destination address, as well as the our FCS. Okay, see, these all are the like structure of our control frames. Okay, each address it can have their own set of sequence values. See, this is what our value of the subtitle. See, if it is 1011 means it is going to tell the request to send. Okay, if it is 1100 means the value will be like 12. Okay, in decimal the value will be tell, it is going to tell clear to send, means you have to clear the previous data, and then you have to like send the new data to that particular destination. Okay, if the value will be yeah, if the value will be 11, okay, means it is going to tell the sender the request to send, means whatever the request we are getting that we have to send to destination. So then if like if the value will be 13, okay, means you have to, the receiver you have to send the acknowledgement back to the sender. So this is what our subtype and like subtype, if we have subtype field it is going to do. Okay, then our frame control, sorry, our control frames, okay, the value of the type field, okay, if it is the 0 and 1, okay, based on the binary value it is going to access the information. Then what is the data frames? The data frames, okay, are used for carrying the data and control the information. See, these all the information, okay, this is going to contain our mac sublayer. Okay, this mac sublayer it is one of the our like IEEE 802 specification standards. Okay, see, this is what our